Secondly, how to create YouTube Shorts. I'll teach you many ways to create YouTube Shorts. Number one, if you click on upload, you select create a short. Remember, YouTube Shorts cannot be above 60 seconds. You add. What's next? Soon. Okay, here is the video now. If I want to add the sound, I'll click here. These are the top sound. So if let me choose cough. Let me choose cough. I don't want to increase the sound, so I've selected the sound. So these ones now, if I want to adjust it, maybe if I want to type something on the screen, like follow up, see it. This one, if I want to adjust the video or decrease the length, it's okay. Then you click on next. Then you add the description, add your caption. After adding your caption, remember you must put trending hashtag like shorts, like any hashtag of your choice. You select, you upload the short, you upload, click on upload. So that's how to create YouTube Shorts. Then the next one, see these short videos. This one is 3 million views. So if I want to use the sound like voiceover, I'll select on the video. Watch the video a little. I don't have sound. This one doesn't have sound. Let's use another one. Just see Brown Jota. Okay, this place, you click on this place. This one is voiceover. I'm using the sound that Brown Jota used on the video. Then use sound. After using the sound, you add your clip. You add the clip. Remember, after selecting the video of your choice, what's the next thing? You follow how we did the first one. Add, like click on add, put your description and hashtag, just like when you are uploading video on TikTok. So that's it. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos.